So maybe you've been using other types of control charts to monitor your processes, but you'd like to learn about the P-chart. Or maybe you're already familiar with the P-chart, but you're looking for a simpler way to create it. In this video, I'll discuss the features of a P-chart that set it apart from other types of control charts, why a P-chart is often confused with a U-chart, and how they are different, and 3 simple methods for creating a P-chart using QI macros. A P-chart is used to count defective items within a varying sample size. For example, when counting the number of defective apples in a shipment. The total number of apples received may vary from day to day, so your sample size will vary. P-chart data looks like this. Notice that P-chart data is counted, or attribute data. The samples are non-fractional whole numbers without decimal places. Let's look at that P-chart again. Notice that the upper and lower control limits are not flat lines. This is because the sample size in the data varies. We call these varying upper and lower control limits skyline limits. Skyline limits are unique to the P-chart and the U-chart. If your sample size did not vary, your upper and lower control limits would appear flat. P-charts are often confused with U-charts. U-charts also handle attribute data and varying sample sizes, but here's the difference. A U-chart counts the total number of defects. Each unit can have more than one defect. For example, an apple with insects, bruising, and molding. But every defect is counted. A P-chart counts the number of defective units. So, while there may be more than one defect in your apple, insects, bruising, and molding, the defective unit, or apple, is counted only once. So, those are the attributes of a P-chart. Now let's talk about the 3 methods for creating a P-chart using QI macros. Method number 1. A QI macros quick chart. If you've already collected P-chart data in an Excel spreadsheet, QI macros can quickly generate a P-chart for your analysis. Simply highlight your Excel data and labels, click Control Charts, Attribute, then select P. QI macros will generate your P-chart within a few seconds, analyze stability, and highlight unstable points and trends in red. Another example of a quick chart is the Control Chart Wizard. Highlight your data and labels and select Control Chart Wizard. Answer the prompt and the Control Chart Wizard will generate the appropriate chart based on your data, analyze stability, and highlight unstable points and trends. Method number 2. The QI macros template. A template is another quick and efficient way to create a P-chart in QI macros. Templates are great for users who have ongoing consistent data collection. The control chart templates populate automatically on the same spreadsheet where you enter your data. To open the QI macros P-chart template, click Control Chart Templates, Attribute, then select P-chart. The template opens to an instruction sheet with several worksheet tabs. There are different types of P-chart templates. Click the links in the instruction sheet to learn more about them. In this example, I'll open the P-chart worksheet tab. Simply type or paste your data into the yellow input area and watch the chart plot automatically. Click the Filter Unfilter buttons to filter blank data rows and reposition the data on the chart plot. To analyze stability, click on the chart, which will reveal the QI macros Chart Menu tab. Click the tab, then select Analyze Stability. QI macros will highlight any unstable points and trends on the chart and in the data. Save your template with a unique and meaningful file name to continue adding data in the future. Method number 3, the QI macros dashboard. Just like the dashboard of a vehicle, QI macros dashboards monitor multiple metrics in one place. Using a QI macros dashboard, you can collect data for up to 30 charts and update those charts quickly from one worksheet. Additionally, the dashboards allow you to consolidate your control charts onto one worksheet for review and presentation. The dashboards are located under the Control Chart Templates section of the QI Macros menu. Let's select the CNP-P-U dashboard. The dashboard will open to an instructions worksheet. You'll notice there is a worksheet tab for each type of attribute chart. Click the Datasheet tab to start. This worksheet is where you'll enter your data. You may enter data for up to 30 different charts. Keep in mind that all the charts will share the same axis labels, so these labels should be meaningful and consistent from one chart to the next. After you've entered some data and you're ready to see your charts, click the P-Chart tab. Click the Previous and Next buttons to view the charts for each of your data sets. When you'd like to view your charts together on one worksheet, click the Create Dashboard button. You'll only click this button one time, the first time you create your dashboard. QI Macros will create an individual worksheet tab for each of your charts, and a dashboard displaying all of your charts on one worksheet. Be sure to save your dashboard with a unique and meaningful file name so that you can continue adding data in the future. When you're ready to add data, go back to the data sheet, paste or type your new data into the cells, then choose one of these options to update your charts with your new data. You can simply refresh the charts to include the new data points. Clicking this button will not produce stability analysis. You can refresh your charts with rules, which will tell you which stability analysis rules have been violated. Or, as I'll show you here, you can refresh your charts and run stability analysis on them. The QI macros will highlight unstable points and trends on your charts and display your new data. So that concludes the P-Chart video. What did we learn? P-Charts handle attribute data with a varying sample size. P-Charts, like U-Charts, have skyline upper and lower control limits due to the varying sample size. And there are 3 methods for creating P-Charts using QI macros. The QI macros Quick Chart, or Control Chart Wizard, a QI macros template, and the QI macros dashboard for multiple data sets. Thanks for watching.